Hello student, today we will solve question number 20 in class 12 commerce, subject account. Okay. In account our topic is running changing profit sharing ratio among the existing partner. Okay. Now in question number 20 is given A and B are partners in a firm in the ratio of 3:2. They decide to admit C into partnership on 12 January 2018 and give him 1/4 share of profit. The new profit sharing ratio will be 9, 6 and 5. C brings 6,000 as a capital but cannot bring his share of goodwill in case, which is 2,500 rupees. Pass necessary journal entries in the book of the new firm. Okay. Now in this question we have to find out sacrifice ratio and we have to pass necessary journal entries in this question. Okay. So student, first of all we will find out sacrifice ratio in this question. Okay. So we will write first of all calculation of sacrifice ratio. You can write sacrificing ratio. Now we know how to calculate sacrifice ratio. Means we will write first of all old ratio and then we have to less old ratio, new ratio. Okay, so we know sacrifice ratio formula. So here is given A and B old ratio, three to A, B and C's new ratio in question is given 9:6:5. So we have to find out sacrifice ratio. So is sacrifice ratio is equal to 9/20. No, sorry. Old ratio minus new ratio means 3/5 minus 9/20. Okay. So here LCM will be 20. So 12 minus 9, 3/20. A sacrifice ratio is 3/20 and B sacrifice ratio is equal to 2/5 means B's old ratio is 2/5 minus 6/20. So here will come LCM 20. So 8 minus 6 means 2/20. So we can write is AB sacrifice ratio is equal to 3/20 ratio 2/20. So we can write here 3:2. Okay. A and B sacrifice ratio is 3 and 2. Okay student, in this question we have to pass the general entry. So okay student, we have completed sacrifice ratio and then we have pass necessary journal entries. For journal entry we have to draw line. डेट particular LF debit amount okay. Now here C brought 6,000 as a capital, so we will write bank account debit to C's capital account, okay, 6,000 rupees. Narration you have to write being capital brought by C. Okay. Now first entry is written C. Here is given but cannot bring his share of goodwill in case reach 2,500. Okay, see here didn't bring capital, goodwill, so we have to pass this entry. C's capital account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. Okay, 3,500 and we have to distribute 2,500 rupees in sacrifice ratio, means 3:2. So 2,500 into 3/5. So here will come 1,500 and is 1,200. 1,500 and B take 1,000 rupees. Means 1,500 and 1,000. Narration we will write being goodwill amount adjusted in credit side of debit side of C's capital account and credit side of A and B's capital account in sacrifice ratio. Okay, students, we have to pass this entry. ये एंट्री हमने क्यों की है? A's capital account debit to C's capital account debit to A's capital to B's capital, क्योंकि यहाँ पर C गुडविल का पैसा नहीं लाया, ठीक, अब वो गुडविल नहीं लाया तो A और B के अकाउंट को क्रेडिट कर दिया हमने उनके कैपिटल अकाउंट में, ये जो जितने रेशियो से वो सेक्रीफाइस कर रहे हैं उसको, और इसे डेबिट कर दिया। तो ये होगा कि सीज के कैपिटल अकाउंट में डेबिट साइड में ये पैसा मीन्स 2,500 रुपीज माइनस हो जाएगा उसके बैलेंस में से, जो भी इसे प्रॉफिट मिलेगा, जो भी सैलरी है, कुछ जो भी मिलने वाला है उसे आगे। और ए और बी के कैपिटल अकाउंट में क्रेडिट हो जाएगा 1500 और 1000 रुपीज। ठीक स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. Okay students, now we will solve question number 21. In question number 21 is given A and B are partners in a firm in the ratio of 3:2. They admit C for 1/4 share profit. C share of goodwill in value at 10,000, but he brings cash 6,000 only. Pass necessary journal entries in the book of new firm. A and B decided to keep their mutual ratio is unchanged. Okay, student. In question number 21, two partners A and B. They admitted C into partnership for 1/4 part. Now here they calculated C's goodwill 10,000 rupees, but C didn't bring 10,000 rupees. Means he brought 6,000 rupees in cash only. He didn't bring 4,000 rupees. Here is given also. They don't want to change their mutual ratio. Okay, in future. Now we have to pass the necessary general entries in this question only. Okay, so here first of all we will pass first general entry. C brought goodwill, means for C's goodwill we will write bank account debit to premium account. C brought 6,000 rupees as a goodwill. Okay, so we will pass this entry, bank account debit to premium account. In narration we will write premium brought by C in case. Okay. Then we have to transfer premium amount in old partner's capital account. Means old partner will distribute 6,000 rupees in their old ratio or sacrifice ratio. So we will write second entry, premium account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. 6,000 rupees in old ratio. So 3.5. So C will get 3,600 rupees and so A will get 3,600 rupees and B 2,400, means 2,400 rupees. In narration we will write premium credited to old partner old partners capital account. And third entry we will pass for 4,000 rupees, which C didn't bring. Okay, so 4,000 rupees we will write C's capital account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. ₹4,000, and we will distribute 4,000 rupees in ratio 3:2. So ₹2,400 and 1,600 rupees. In narration we will write remaining amount of premium adjusted ओके स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पर प्रीमियम का कैलकुलेशन किया गया था पार्टनर्स के द्वारा, तो सी का प्रीमियम की अमाउंट आई 10,000 रुपीज, बट सी सिर्फ 6,000 रुपीज लेकर आया। हमने एंट्री की उसके लिए बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रीमियम अकाउंट 6,000 प्रीमियम ब्रॉट बाय सी इन केस। अब ये जो 6,000 रुपीज है इसे ओल्ड पार्टनर्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है, मतलब ओल्ड पार्टनर से शेयर करने हैं। प्रीमियम अकाउंट डेबिट टू एस कैपिटल अकाउंट टू बीस कैपिटल अकाउंट, in old ratio we have distributed 3,600 rupees and 2,400 rupees. In narration we have written premium credited to old partners capital account. अब 6,000 लेकर आया हूँ, 4,000 नहीं ला पाया, सो रिमेनिंग अमाउंट के लिए हम एंट्री करेंगे सीज कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू एस कैपिटल अकाउंट टू बीस कैपिटल अकाउंट। स्टूडेंट हमें ये हमेशा याद रखना है, जब गुडविल न्यू पार्टनर लेकर आता है तो एंट्री बैंक वाली जो मैंने एंट्री की तो इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है हमें, ठीक है। ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया मैंने, ओल्ड पार्टनर से ही डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे, ये शेयर करेंगे वो ओल्ड पार्टनर से, और उनके ओल्ड रेशियो में या सेक्रीफाइस रेशियो में, ठीक है। सेक्रीफाइस रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है। फिर जो रिमेनिंग अमाउंट है उसके लिए थर्ड एंट्री मैंने पास की, अगर 1 रुपया भी नहीं लाता है वो तो भी एंट्री यही होगी। ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड क्वेश्चन नंबर 21।